Okay, what I'm going to do is try to remove a surface mount resistor with this soldering iron tip that I've modified. I've just cut a groove in it, big enough to go on each side of the resistor, and then I'm going to try to, at the same time, hold on to it with this thin pair of tweezers. And I've done this before, it's worked pretty good, and just kind of lifts off the resistor while heating up both sides of the solder joints simultaneously. Oop. Well, first shot didn't do too good. Let's try again. Here we go. Got the resistor right here and an undamaged circuit board, which is the goal. Good deal.